So the key to actually really brightening that under eye areas and highlighting those parts is to actually go in with a lighter concealer. So I've gone in with mine, and now I'm just gonna blend it out, and then you guys are literally gonna see I've already put concealer on, but now I'm just gonna literally brighten. Like, look at that difference. So also try and keep it within the area of what like you're trying to highlight or brighten. So just like blend that out. So yeah, you're just gonna blend everything out, and then I'm gonna show you guys after. So like, look at how bright my under eyes are. Like, look at those areas. I'm about to actually put on my setting spray because I'm actually done with this glam look. But yeah, that's the trick. That's the trick. Peace.